Tired of hunting through Salesforce menus just to add a user? Here is the exact 8-click sequence to get it done in under a minute. No more guessing, no more back and forth through settings you don't need. So here is the plan. We are going to start from the Salesforce home screen, access the setup area, find the users section, and then create a new user with their email and their role. Simple and clean. All right, let us begin. You are looking at the Salesforce home screen. In the top right corner, you will see a small gear icon. That is the Quick Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is the gateway to almost everything administrative in Salesforce. From that drop-down menu, you need to click on Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the full back end of Salesforce, where you can manage users, security, and all the customizations. Just one click and you are in. Now that we are inside the setup area, look for a search box on the left sidebar called Quick Find. This is your best friend. Type in the word Users. Just the letter U, and it will start filtering things for you. This search bar saves a ton of menu digging. You will see Users appear in the results below. Click on it. This takes you to the full list of everyone who currently has access to your Salesforce org. If you are managing a growing team, this list gets long fast. From the Users list, look for a button at the top that says New. Click that. This is where we actually begin building the new user profile. And here is the really important part. First, enter their email address. This is the only truly required field on this page. Salesforce will use this email to send them their login invitation. Make sure you type it correctly because this is how they will access the system. Next, you need to choose a user type. This is also called a license type. It determines what your new user can actually see and do. Different user types have different costs and different access levels. In my experience, most new admins pick the wrong one here. Take a moment to confirm what kind of access this person needs. Standard sales user is common, but if they only need to read reports, there might be a lighter option. Choose carefully. Now for the final step. Scroll down and click the button that says Send Invitation. This triggers an email to the address you entered. The user will get a link to set their own password and log in. This might take a moment to process, but in just a few seconds, they are officially a user in your system. And that is it. From the home screen to a fully invited user in 8 clicks. I have walked through this exact sequence many times, and it never gets faster than this. You can handle new hires and contractor access with confidence now. No more menu hunting. Just set up, quick find, new user, and send. You have got this.